Hey guys, in this quick 2025 tutorial, I'll show you how to export Microsoft Copilot conversations to a PDF. Fast, simple, and ready for sharing. Open Microsoft Copilot and navigate to the conversion you want to save. Click the three-dot menu or more options in the chat window. Select Export and choose PDF as your format. You can customize the export by selecting specific messages or the entire conversation. Once ready, click Export and Copilot will generate a downloadable PDF with timestamps and formatting intact. Save it to your preferred folder or share it directly via email or cloud storage. This is perfect for keeping records, sharing summaries, or storing important AI-generated insights. And that's it, your Microsoft Copilot conversation is now a PDF. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick 2025 tech tutorials.